Hello students, welcome back to St. Thomas High School, Surat. I am Minawani, your EVS teacher, would like to solve some textbook exercise from chapter 2 part 2. Today's exercise we'll do on the page number, you'll find it on the page number 177. Our topic is choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. The answers are tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue, ears, E-A-R-S, ears, S-K-I-N, skin, N-O-S-E, nose, S-E-N-S-E, sense, O-R-G-A-N-S, sense, organs. So, the first statement is eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin are the 5 dash. Eyes, ears, tongue, nose and skin are the 5 dash. The answer is sense organs. Sense organs. The second fill in the blanks is dash help us to find out about tasting, about things by tasting. Dash help us to find out about things by tasting. The answer is tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E. The third statement is dash help us to smell. Dash help us to smell. The answer is nose, N-O-S-E. Nose helps us to smell. Fourth fill in the blanks is dash help us to hear. Dash help us to hear. The answer is ear, E-A-R-S. Ears help us to hear. The fifth fill in the blanks is dash help us to find out things by touching. Dash help us to find out things by touching. Answer is skin, S-K-I-N. Skin help us to find out things by touching. Now my question number 2 is tick the correct sentence right, cross the wrong ones. If the sentence is right, you have to put the correct sign, and if the sentence is wrong, you have to put the wrong sign. So the first statement is we have 6 senses. We have 6 senses. As we have already discussed in the chapter that we have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So this sentence is wrong. Put the wrong sign. My second sentence is our ears helps us to listen to good music. Our ears help us to listen to good music. Yes, it is a right one because ears help us to hear. Put the right sign. My third sentence is we smell with our eyes. Students, is it right or wrong? We smell with our eyes. No, this sentence is wrong because we see with our eyes. We see the objects with our eyes. We smell with our eyes is the wrong one. Put the wrong sign. Incorrect sign. My fourth sentence is our tongue help us to taste. Our tongue help us to taste. Yes, our tongue help us to taste sweet, sour, bitter, all the different taste we can have with our tongue. So this sentence is right. Put the correct sign. My fifth sentence is our skin is very sensitive. Our skin is very sensitive. We have studied in the chapter and we have also seen the pictures that if the iron is kept after using it and if it is hot and if we touch it, our fingers get burned. Or if we touch a pan which is lying on the stove, gas stove, we get burned. So it is a very sensitive part and immediately we can understand it is hot or cold. If we touch ice, we feel cold. If we touch the teacup, we feel it hot. So our skin, it is very sensitive part of our body is the correct sentence. So put the right sign. My question number 3 is underline the correct word and say which sense organs is used in each case. This exercise you will find on page number 178. You have to do it in the textbook only. Underline the correct word and say which sense organ is used in each case. This you will find on the page number 178. You have to do it in the textbook only. My first sentence is honey is sweet or sour. Honey is sweet or sour. Honey is sweet है या खट्टा है. So it is sweet. So sweet you underline sweet. And how you will find that it is sweet? Which sense organ will help you to find out the taste of the honey? Tongue. Tongue will help you to find the taste of the honey. So your answer is tongue. Tongue. My second sentence is ice cream is hot or cold. Ice cream is hot or cold. When we touch the ice cream, when we take it in our hand, we feel cold. So ice cream is cold. You should underline the cold word. And which sense organ help us to feel that it is hot or cold? We feel it with our skin. So the answer for this is skin. S-K-I-N. Ice cream is cold and we feel it with the skin. My third sentence is a rose smells sweet or bad. A rose smells sweet or bad. We have already studied in that chapter that the rose smell is very sweet, and even if it is a rose garden nearby, we can feel it with our nose. So rose smell is sweet. Underline the sweet word, and we can feel the smell with our nose. So here you have to write the correct sense organs is nose. N-O-S-E, nose. My fourth sentence is the sky is blue or green. The sky is blue or green. When we look in the sky, we feel that the sky is, we always see that the sky is blue. So the blue is the correct answer. And how we see the sky? We see the sky with our eyes. E-Y-E-S. So eyes is the correct answer. Now my fifth sentence is paper is smooth or hard. Paper is smooth or hard. When we touch the page of our textbook or our notebook or any newspaper, we feel it that it is a smooth part. It is not rough like stone, but it is a smooth. So paper is smooth. The correct answer is smooth. Underline this word smooth. And by which sense organ we feel that it is smooth or hard? With the help of the skin we feel that it is smooth. So in that side, correct sense organs is skin. In this way, we have finished this exercise. Fill in the blanks, and true and false you have to write in the notebook. And this exercise you have to do it in the textbook only. We will stop here. I hope you understood all the exercise. Thank you.